Adani the entire pack of Adani stocks have been hitting their all-time highs, and giving you that sort of momentum today. So of course, I mean every each individual stock, be it Adani Enterprises, be it Adani Ports, they're all individually up by more than 7, 8, 9%. Adani Ports is already like 10, 12% up. So they've crossed a lot of major resistances hurdles. I think they're trying to form a new base. If I just talk about Adani Ports right here from these current levels, I can see that it is trying to form a recent base of 900, 950 odd level. So that band is going to become its recent base. So any moment we see it seeing any sort of a small dip around 9920 or something, so it comes to that range, it becomes a support base. I think you'll be seeing it, Adani, this particular stock bouncing back from current levels or from those levels. And again, going back to those 1020, 1050 odd levels. So there's huge volume action. There's absolutely no brainer to say that it's a complete fresh breakout. The stock could even be possibly heading towards 1080, 1100 over medium term. That becomes a different picture. But as of now, I think it's a clear cut take that it's quite positive. It's quite strong from a technical perspective. And, it is heading towards those higher targets.
Okay. That's as far as the Adani Ports is concerned. What about the cement twins, Ambuja Cements and ACC? They are also among the top gainers on the F&O space. Are you watching out for any of these stocks, and do you see this momentum can be chased?
Yes, definitely, Sakshi. I mean, even ACC and Ambuja, I think the entire cement sector, it's a cement sector. If you have to start with, the entire sector has shown very good rollovers. I think just individually picking out ACC and Ambuja, of course, there is another clear breakout on charts. Ambuja 480 was that level where it has broken out. It was at that resistance. It's completely out of that resistance hurdle. There's a lot of volumes, there's a lot of open interest aggressively building up for this particular stock as well. So I think Ambuja, if we speak just from a technical point of view, it is definitely heading towards 536 to 540 from these current levels. So there's still an upside of approx 30, 35 odd rupees from current level. And 480 is where you have to trail your stop losses. You have to maintain that as a support stop loss in case of any corrective action taken from current levels, in case there's a profit booking, which is less likely because the stock and the volumes and the derivative parameters are indicating that Ambuja Cement is heading towards that 540 odd levels. And simultaneously speaking about ACC also has seen that crazy move from yesterday. In fact, I think 1800 it was a resistance. It crossed that, and now it's just absolutely going bonkers above 2100 levels. So in ACC, if anyone is already holding the positions from yesterday's level, it would be advisable to trail your stop losses at 2100, book partial profit at current levels, which is 2180, trail your stop losses to 2100, and hold for more high, somewhat higher targets of 2300, 2400 over a period of another 2 odd months. So I think both these stocks are looking bullish from current levels, and as the levels I mentioned, just have to follow those.
Okay. There is just a word of caution that like to put in. It's extremely dangerous to even entertain thoughts of buying into counters which are up at circuit limit. Of course, it looks very glamorous, but should you decide to do that, you are most cautiously advised against it, and also to take another independent opinion.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.